Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Mukul Sangma, Honorable Leader of Opposition and MLA from Songsak constituency, for moving this motion in this August House jointly with Mr. Bryce Towell Marbanyang, Honorable MLA from Maulai constituency. I also thank the honorable members in participating this motion. Mr. Charles Pungrop, Mr. Adalbert Nongrum, Mr. Aden Basaymoit, Honorable MLA, Mr. Havingstone Kharpran, Honorable MLA, Mr. Rupa Marak MLA, and Ba Renington, Honorable MLA from Maukarwat, and also Dr. Kaji, MLA of Rajabala. Sir, before I proceed further, there are so many points, so many issues raised by the respective honorable members